Hello, and welcome to the weekly detailed reading. Now, I'll tell you briefly what I'll be doing. So, I'll be using two decks for this reading. I'll be using the Wisdom of the Oracle deck, and I'll be using the Rider-Waite Tarot deck. So, we'll go each day at a time, and I'll pick one card per each day, then three cards or maybe four from the Rider-Waite for each day. So we'll check out each day with its energy. So let's start with just picking up the days, right? Cards for the days. Let's shuffle. Let's start. Monday. Tuesday. Oh, I almost flipped it. Wednesday. I've got two cards for Wednesday actually, so here, I'll keep them. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Two cards also good for Friday. Let's see. So the cards as follows. We've got Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Two cards actually came up for that. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday also two cards got for that. So let's reveal. We've got for Monday, milk and honey. Tuesday, to the sea. Wednesday, we've got leg up and soulmates. Thursday, go the distance. And Friday, we've got by the book and flexible. Right, so checking these cards, we're going to draw some cards to check out the energy of each day and, basically supplement this card with more cards of the tarot. So for Monday, what to expect for Monday? Okay, we've got the Lovers reversed, the Ace of Wands reversed, and the Emperor. Okay, well, starting off this week, I see that somehow there is an expectation, some people are starting this week with an expectation to receive something from somebody. And the cards are telling you that sometimes when we expect something, the results are not in our favor because, you never know what the other person is going through. So your expectations might not be met. Looks like you're expecting, I would say it has to do with communication, messages, something of that sort. But what you will get is something different. So, checking that energy, you are asked to be more reasonable about what you are expecting of others. You're not living other people's lives, so you cannot expect more than they can offer you, if that makes sense. You know what I mean? So, let's see. I just want to get one more card for Monday. Okay, we've got the Five of Cups reversed. Yes, the cards are telling you, keep going. Don't, if you get disappointed, which is very, very possible, I'm sorry to say that, but it might as well very much happen. When you get disappointed, just keep going. Don't stay there and cry over spilled milk. They just keep going. Keep going. Oh, which is interesting here, that this card from the Oracle card, it says, let me take it out. It says milk and honey. So just, it's nice to expect something, but when it's not met, just go your way. don't wait, and don't ruin your week just because something was not done. You know what I mean? All right, let's have a look at Tuesday. So for Tuesday, what to expect? We've got the Nine of Pentacles and the World and the Eight of Cups reversed. This is very interesting because the main card here that we've got for from the Oracle card, from the Oracle deck, again, I can't think, okay, is to the Sea. So I see that, excuse me, that this is the time to flow. A flow of energy, a flow of emotions, a flow. There is a flow, especially if you are getting out of a phase in your life and like transitioning into something new, going into a new job, going into a new relationship. Just there is this flow, right? And you're kind of asked also here to go with the flow. The interesting thing is that I see going with the flow will serve your satisfaction. So I see that you are going to be happy about letting go and seeing where the energy is taking you. Because holding on is not going to serve you any good. So definitely go with the flow. Do not hold back, especially with emotions. I see that if there are emotions, just let go, leave it behind if it's not going to serve you. And that letting go is definitely going to be the end of whatever cycle that was not, helping you. It's going to be the breaking of that cycle, and you're going to, for some reason I have this mental image now, when the egg is hatching, like you're getting out of a shell, you're getting out of a cocoon. So let go, let the flow of energy happen, and just, let it be. So Wednesday we've got Leg Up and Soulmates. So let's see what to expect for Wednesday. Okay. The Knight of Cups. The Seven of Swords. The Two of Wands reversed. And one more card. The Three of Cups. Okay, well, that does make sense. Okay, Wednesday is a day of... Looks like there's a celebration. Somebody out there is celebrating. Could be good times happening. You are receiving also good news. I see that it's a time also for you to relax, although this to me doesn't make much sense because it's a Wednesday. Like, who relaxes on a Wednesday? It's not a Saturday or Sunday, but it is somehow a relaxing day. You might be asked also to do something related to water in order to relax. So if it has been, let's say, a long day at work, you're tired, you feel like your world is upside down, so water could help you. For example, go swimming or take a good, nice, relaxing bath. So I see a lot of like, when you like, what happens to fire when you pour water over it, like this sound, like everything is cooled down. Like, yeah, there is a cooling down on Wednesday, which I find very, very interesting. It's like the middle, like the exact middle of the week, but I still see a lot of, cooling down, chilling. Also, it could be like a time for you that I see an organization, like you are trying to organize some sort of celebration or get together with friends, something like that. However, I see drinking also, so that would be a bad idea. Like, do not drink in the middle of the week. Do not drink in the middle of the week. Not a good idea. Not a good idea. So you still have to go to work on Thursday, so yeah. Be very careful if you decide to drink in the middle of the week. For Thursday, let's have a look. Let's see what comes up as a main energy for Thursday. What we have for Thursday? Seven of Cups. Which, by the way, the card that we got here is Go the Distance. So we've got Seven of Cups. The Fool reversed. And the Chariot reversed. Also, we've got here the Queen of Wands reversed. All right, okay, Thursday. We're getting closer to the weekend. And here it says in the Oracle cards, go the distance. So if you have an opportunity, and not only an opportunity, I see that you have a lot of opportunities coming up. So if you are, sorry, if you receive some sort of communication related to work, specifically work, and you are offered a certain position or a certain task, let's say you are, okay, also I see that what if you are offered more tasks than how do I put this? Then they are in your job description, and you might think, okay, well, I don't want to do that because it's not in my job description, and no, thank you very much. But no, do not do that. Do not stagnate your energy. As I said also on Tuesday, there is a flow of energy. So if there is a flow of energy and that energy extends to Thursday, do not stop the flow of energy. Because I don't, like according to the cards here, stopping the flow of energy is not very wise. So I'm sorry to say, it could be even foolish. So do not do that. If you have a chance to progress in something, even if it's not paid, do it. Do it for the sake of your own advancement, for your own career, for your own, development. Do not do it for the money, because money is not everything, especially on Thursday. I don't see any reference to money. So if there is something, go ahead and do it, and do not think too much. Just go straight ahead, as the card says here. Go the distance. For Friday. Okay, Friday. We've got two cards, remember? We've got By the Book. Here, I don't know if it's very clear. And we've got Flexible, which I think are very contradictory cards, because if you're doing something by the book, it's not flexible, because you're following a certain instruction, or you're following a certain rule. Yeah, so if you're following a rule, but at the same time it's flexible. So let's see what the tarot has to say about this. This is for Friday. Oh, okay. We've got a bunch, but let's shuffle one more time. We've got the Seven of Swords. Okay. The Four of Wands reversed. The Wheel of Fortune. And the Star. Okay, well, as the card said, by the book, but still flexible. Meaning, I would say, keep the universal laws. Do not try to, if you try to break universal laws, good luck doing that. It's not possible. So if you need to achieve a certain result, right? Whatever it is in your life, relationship, or I see here it has to do with relationships more, but relationships, or even physical, right? Put for yourself, like, here's the thing that came to me right now. Let's say if you want to lose weight, you need to put yourself, you need to, how do I say that in a credible way? Because I have a stack of thoughts now. Put goals that are achievable. Like, do not be too ambitious, but, and then when you cannot achieve your goal, you will feel that you have failed yourself. No. Put yourself in a place where you can achieve your goal. So, yes, go by the book. Let's say the book says you want to lose weight, so consume less calories and, have more physical activity. Okay, that's by the book. But be flexible, meaning as adapt that to your life, right? Adapt it to your abilities. Adapt it to your capabilities. So, by the book, but flexible, in order to start the weekend on a very positive note. Also, here's the thing. Since it is a Friday and it's still a working day, you might want at the end of the day to sneak in and, you know, grab a book, do something for yourself. Do not just keep working on that day. I mean, do your job, obviously, but at the end of the day, you still need to take some time for yourself to reflect. So this is the flexible part, like do what you have to do and still like be flexible. I don't know if that makes sense, but it does make sense in my head right now. But you still have to do what you have to do. This is the universal law. Again, if you go against the universal law, you will not have, the result that you need to achieve. But I see that you can achieve what you can or what you have to achieve only by being credible, by being, not too ambitious. Just do what you can and do not achieve for the impossible. I wish you a very, very good week, and I hope everything will work out for your favor. Blessed be.